All right, so this is how you take off the door handle of a 911. This is a 2021. Yeah, that's it. So you're gonna undo that plug right there, okay? And then you come on this side. See these two screws right there? There is one right there, and there's two. 1, 2. All right, you're only going to loosen them a little bit. You don't want to unscrew the whole thing. You're just gonna loosen it. One hand camera, one hand screwdriver. Okay, here we go. Just loosen it a little bit. And then what you need to do is have someone help you. You're gonna push out the door handles. The door handle hyper is extended, meaning it needs to come out this much without me having to hold it. Boom. Now, okay, got it. And now I'm just gonna. Can I have the pick tool? Pick tool. Boom. Push it. Okay. Alright. So you go right here. There we go. Just like that. Let me see if I could rest this right here. So basically what you need to do is have a pick tool and bring this to the side, bring this to the side, and this pops open, and then we're gonna do the same thing over here. Bring this open, but I need my other hand to pull, so you guys right here. Oh. Popped it back inside. All right. Come on. There we go. Boom. And boom. I take one of these off. Now we're doing a color change, so now we're gonna be able to cover this entire area without this being in the way. Boom.